This is Introduction to Chapter 4, Object Properties and Organization. In this chapter, you will look at the Quick Setup Wizard. We'll create new multi-line styles. We'll then draw using multi-line command. We'll use the multi-line editing commands to edit those that we create. Learn how to create new layers. Learn about pre-selection of objects. Learn the controlling layer visibility and moving objects to a different layer. The AutoCAD Certified Associate examination is covered in this chapter under these sections: the skills that you learn using the wizard, the multi-line style, how to snap using the rectangle and ellipse, using the multi-line edit, and working with layers. All part of the examination, should you choose to prepare to take that particular exam from Autodesk. In here we create a floor plan design. This floor plan design is common practice for the architectural drafter to draw the walls, windows, and doors and place them on a particular layer. Layers are those part of AutoCAD that allows us to view or control the properties of various objects as a group. And we can turn those off and on. Simulates clear, transparent sheets of media that we can insert and take out if we were to do it manually. So that is by hand. Doing it in CAD, we can actually control all the properties of a group of objects using the layer command. So in the chapter we'll explore different construction and editing tools, and you'll learn about limits and M-line and M-edit and layer commands. This is the very basic approach at the beginning, but all of this is used over and over should you continue on in CAD, whether you do architectural or mechanical. These layer controls and the way in which we lay out this floor plan can be used in many different drawing disciplines. We start up AutoCAD like you've always been doing so far, and we'll use the setup wizard, the quick setup, part of the quick setup, so we can customize the way that we look or we want our drawing to look. Every drawing is part of a particular type of engineering or science. So you decide using the wizard whether it's a standard decimal or mechanical type drawing, or architectural, or perhaps you're doing a fractional production drawing. Then we create what we call limits, that is part of our graphics area or reference area, as the author calls it here. And in there, what you're doing is setting up the width and height of your drawing area in model space, and it is made for usually the size plus extra space of the object you're drawing. So in our case, doing the floor plan, we see that it's 30 feet by 30 feet. Our drawing area is 60 feet by 40 feet. So 60 wide and 40 tall. We continue our setup in the wizard. Actually outside the wizard, and we think about our grid and snap. For architectural, 6 inches works good for the grid and snap. Some folks make them 12-inch grid and then a modular setting of 4 inches. Since a lot of our construction components are built on a modular basis of 4 inches, 2x4s, 8x16 blocks, and so forth. We begin after that, after setting our grid and snap, by doing a zoom extents. This will cause the drawing space that we have created and the drawing area that we've created by limits to be completely visible on our screen. Next, I'll introduce to you through the book the AutoCAD multi-line command.